The final quarter of 2021 was yet another strong quarter for the South African listed property sector, resulting in the sector delivering positive returns for 4 consecutive quarters of the year. What we saw last year in terms of performance was pretty much a continuation of the rally that started in November 2020. This rally was supported by the breakthroughs on COVID-19 vaccines, the encouraging rollout of vaccinations globally, and the recovery in economic activity as global economies gradually started reopening. From a global real estate perspective, we saw indices that measure global occupier and investor sentiment starting to turn positive. There was an improvement in the volume of leases being signed, and real estate transactional activity gained further momentum supported by the US and Europe. For the quarter ending December 2021, the South African listed property sector generated total returns of 8.4%. This brings total returns for the 1-year period ended December to 37%. These returns largely reflect a correction in share prices following the COVID-19 related sell-off and have reversed some of the big losses the sector experienced in 2020. The strength of the listed property market in 2021, I think, is best illustrated by comparing the sector's performance relative to other asset classes. The margin of outperformance relative to equities was 16%, it was 22% relative to inflation-linked bonds, and 28% relative to nominal bonds. Although listed property was a strong performer last year, we do not expect to see a repeat of the high returns achieved by the sector during the course of 2022. In our view, fundamentals of real estate demand and supply will dictate the direction and performance of the sector going forward. The relative weakness of the South African economy makes us a little bit cautious on the outlook for the office sector and some parts of the retail sector. As a result, we've positioned our portfolios towards real estate companies with high earnings growth potential, stable balance sheets, and which operate in regions with high economic growth outlooks.